Sorry.
Okay, thank you so much.
I said Rebecca.
Excuse me, sir. Is Rebecca in?
Huh?
I said, is Rebecca in?
I haven't clue.
Okay, thank you so much. Easter bunny suit ass nigga. Thank you. For the chewing. You looking for the chewing?
What?
No, I said, is you looking for the chewing?
Can't hear you.
Is you looking for the chewing? Thank you so much. My orange dressing that nigga, tangerine dressing that nigga, Tennessee Vows dressing that nigga.
Too bad that nigga Grovehero is on his the fish ready tour, but you know, when he was in Atlanta, he got scared and called me back because he was gonna get his ass bust on this court.
Put him out. He
I'm covered in food. I'm covered in sharp ass steak, man. Lifted up steak ass nigga. Uncovered. Took your steak ass nigga. Now I'm about to go to Little Rock, Arkansas, and see what the fuck they got going. Little Rock, let's see what the fuck you about to do tomorrow. My chewed up straw ass nigga. I chewed on a straw and put it in his ear. Somebody must smash this on. The front of your arms are like a pussy. What? Jacket big as a motherfucker. My jacket wearing that nigga, Bobby, your Bradley jacket wearing that nigga, Grovehero jacket wearing that nigga, fat nigga jacket wearing that nigga. Tomorrow at 11 a.m. I will be in Little Rock, Arkansas, at this location right here. So pull your garbage ass up. Let's see if you can outdo Nashville, Atlanta, and Birmingham. Cause I don't think you gonna do shit. But let us see. Let's see what the fuck y'all finna do. Little Rock, all this shit talking y'all be doing. Little Rock, you better bring them chicken strips out. Spend your brisket. Or take your garbage ass to bed. Garbage ass nigga. I don't wanna hear no bullshit. If I don't see you there, I'm going to knock your garbage ass out. Pull up at this location, 11 o'clock a.m. Garbage ass nigga. Rock, you better bring them chicken strips out. Spend your brisket. Or take your garbage ass to bed. Garbage ass nigga.
I said Rebecca.
Shit, man.
For every goddamn restaurant that's hating on me in Nashville, and everybody who's talking shit in Nashville about what I did, this is what I got to say to you, bitch. I want to see you give a car away. I want to see you get some free food away. I do. If you don't do this shit in the next week or the next 2 weeks, I'm going to come to Nashville and do it. I'm going to come to Nashville. You hear what I said? I'm going to come give free food all day, and I'm going to give away a free car. Now, all of that shit y'all talking, let's see if you do it. Let me see y'all do it in the next 2 weeks. Let me see. All of you niggas talking in Nashville, all of you bitches, all of you niggas, all of you restaurants talking about, goddamn, why they paying his little hand ass all of that money? It's because they fuck with me, bitch. Now I want to see you garbage ass get back to your city because you ain't did shit. But you want to talk about me. So if you don't get back in the next 2 weeks, if I don't see you give away no free fucking car to somebody who fucking struggling out there, somebody who can't get to work, somebody who can't take their kids to the daycare, or somebody can't do shit for themselves, I don't want to hear shit. And if I don't see your garbage ass feed nobody who hungry, who needs some food, I don't want to hear shit. So in the next 2 weeks, if you don't do that, if I don't see you give away a car or a goddamn food, I'm going to do it myself. But look, back to the positivity. I said what the fuck I said. So now, Little Rock, I am headed to you right now. Come bring your goddamn chicken strips. If you don't, I'm going to get on your ass. Little Rock, Arkansas. They say y'all can't do shit, y'all ain't gonna pull up, y'all ain't this, y'all ain't that. Let's see y'all come pull your garbage ass up, Little Rock, Arkansas. The address here, garbage ass nigga. I say garbage ass nigga. Small shoes, ass nigga. Small to the small shoes, ass nigga. What's up with you? Kinda like vision shoes, ass nigga. What's up with you? Realize that this little hand get a lot of haters, and they might just want to blow my ass out because I'm going to these different cities, getting bankrolls, making niggas mad because they can't do it. So I got to make sure that the TGs is with me. I got to make the TGs be with me, see? Now look, don't carry guns, man. We ain't trying to kill nobody. This ain't no message for no dumb shit. So if you one of them niggas that riding around with your Draco trying to rob niggas and kill niggas for no reason, then that shit ain't cool. We ain't doing it. This is for protection. So if you try to come rob me, I'm going to send your ass to God. I'm going to send your ass to heaven. Thank you. Then after I blow your ass off, I'm going to say a free fish place at your funeral. And not only that, throw a free Stock the Valleys block party. Thank you. He was a decent man. He didn't do nothing but try to help people and get some money. He tried to rob Grovehero and got his ass blown the fuck off the surface. Hey, little bro, can you put that seatbelt on? For everybody that's watching my story on a daily basis, I want to let you know, take care of your motherfucking kids, man. Don't be out here doing no dumb shit and get landed in jail. And these white people rich every day. Don't rob your people, man. Don't steal from your people, man. Don't kill nobody unless they trying to hurt you or your family. You got to do it. Remember, stay 100, man. Be positive. Do positive shit. Leave that negative shit alone. But the number one thing is, don't do no dumb shit out here. Don't land yourself in jail. Take care of your kids. Get your money and help other people's lives better, man. That's what this shit about. You know what I'm saying? You did. Remember that.
Gee, it's your boy Shorty C. Mister, get like what you dislike, man. This the Grovehero, man. I appreciate you pulling up in the city, man, and doing your thug thizzle, man. I apologize on the behalf of the city that all that hate spewed your way, man. But they ain't nothing like that, man. It's real niggas where I'm from, man. We do real things, man. I heard your challenge, man. Who?
Right. Oh, it's you. I know it's right. And you are.
God, like, don't get me wrong, I'm from Nashville too, but Nashville so petty and broke. Like, y'all is broke. Y'all bitches is broke. Bitch. And, nah.
Be honest with you. I don't know one nigga that's gonna motherfucking come to a city, walk down the whole line, shake everybody's hand, get everybody hugs,
You know.
and don't have no security. I don't got no security, motherfucker. Who love like that? What celebrity? What nigga with money show love like that? Little Rock, I am here. 11 o'clock a.m. Pull your gut ass up.